Right now, thousands of engineers and workers are reshaping our future. Some projects will change how we live. Others have already been forced to face harsh reality. These are the 10 biggest megaprojects advancing in 2026, and we're uncovering the truth behind every single one. From futuristic cities to record-breaking bridges, we uncover the engineering behind the world's most ambitious construction projects. These are the 10 biggest megaprojects advancing in 2026, and we're uncovering the truth behind every single one. Number 10. Oceanix City, South Korea. Imagine a city that floats on the ocean. As rising sea levels threaten coastal communities around the world, Oceanix City is attempting something unprecedented, creating a fully sustainable floating city capable of housing thousands of residents. Built on modular platforms that can expand over time, the project is designed to generate its own renewable energy, recycle water, and produce food locally. Supporters see it as a solution to climate change and urban overcrowding. Critics question whether the technology can be scaled economically. If successful, Oceanix City could redefine how humanity lives with the sea rather than fighting against it. Number 9. Swiss Alp Transit Tunnel. Deep beneath the Alps, engineers are pushing the limits of underground construction. The Swiss Transit Tunnel network represents one of the most ambitious transportation investments in Europe. Using massive tunnel boring machines capable of carving through solid rock, the project aims to improve freight movement, reduce road traffic, and connect major economic regions more efficiently. Every meter excavated requires extraordinary precision. The challenge is not simply digging a tunnel. It's maintaining safety and structural stability under immense geological pressure. Number 8. Dogger Bank Wind Farm, United Kingdom. Far out in the North Sea, a renewable energy giant is taking shape. Dogger Bank is set to become the world's largest offshore wind farm. The turbines are so large that a single rotation of their blades can power a home for an entire day. Once completed, the project will provide electricity to millions of households while reducing dependence on fossil fuels. But building in harsh offshore conditions presents enormous engineering challenges. High waves, strong winds, and remote locations make every stage of construction a logistical achievement. Number 7. India High-Speed Rail Network. At number 7, India is preparing for a transportation revolution. The country's first high-speed rail corridors promise to dramatically reduce travel times between major economic centers. Inspired by Japan's world-famous Shinkansen system, trains will operate at speeds exceeding 300 kilometers per hour. Building such a network requires far more than laying tracks. Engineers must construct elevated viaducts, tunnels, bridges, stations, and sophisticated signaling systems capable of maintaining safety at extreme speeds. The project has the potential to transform commerce, tourism, and regional connectivity across one of the world's largest and fastest-growing economies. If successful, it could mark the beginning of a new era in Indian transportation. Number 6. King Salman International Airport, Saudi Arabia. At number 6 is a project designed to reshape global aviation. King Salman International Airport is planned to become one of the largest airports ever constructed. Located in Riyadh, the development forms a key part of Saudi Arabia's broader economic diversification strategy. The airport is expected to handle millions of passengers annually, while serving as a major hub connecting Asia, Europe, and Africa. Its scale is staggering. New terminals, runways, transportation links, and support facilities are being developed to accommodate future growth. Beyond its size, the project emphasizes sustainability, advanced technology, and passenger experience. As global air travel continues to expand, King Salman International Airport aims to position itself at the center of the world's aviation network. We've reached the halfway point, but the projects ahead are even larger, more complex, and more influential. From record-breaking bridges and legendary dams to futuristic skyscrapers and perhaps the most controversial megaproject on Earth, the top 5 are on another level. Number 5. Hoover Dam Modernization, United States. Nearly a century after its construction, Hoover Dam remains one of the greatest engineering achievements in history. Today, modernization efforts are ensuring the structure continues serving future generations. Engineers are upgrading power systems, monitoring equipment, and critical infrastructure to improve efficiency and reliability. The challenge is preserving a historic masterpiece while adapting it to modern demands. Few projects demonstrate the lasting value of engineering quite like Hoover Dam. Number 4. 1915 Çanakkale Bridge Expansion, Turkey. Stretching across the Dardanelles Strait, the 1915 Çanakkale Bridge is already a record breaker. With the world's longest mid-span suspension bridge, it stands as a symbol of modern engineering excellence. The project significantly reduces travel times while strengthening economic links between regions. Constructing such a bridge required overcoming powerful winds, seismic risks, and complex marine conditions. The result is a structure that combines functionality with architectural elegance. Number 3. Three Gorges Dam Upgrades, China. The Three Gorges Dam is already the world's largest hydroelectric power station. But even megaprojects require continuous evolution. Ongoing upgrades are focused on improving power generation efficiency, flood control systems, and long-term operational resilience. Managing a structure of this magnitude involves balancing energy production, environmental concerns, and water resource management. Its influence extends far beyond electricity generation, affecting millions of people throughout the region. Number 2. Burj Azizi, Dubai, UAE. Dubai is once again reaching for the sky. Burj Azizi is poised to become one of the tallest skyscrapers ever constructed. Featuring luxury residences, hotels, observation decks, and commercial spaces, the tower represents the next chapter in the city's architectural ambitions. Constructing super-tall buildings requires advanced structural engineering capable of resisting wind forces and extreme environmental conditions. Every floor added pushes engineering closer to its limits. Number 1. The Line, in NEOM, Saudi Arabia. And taking the number 1 spot is perhaps the most controversial megaproject on the planet. The Line, part of the broader NEOM development. This futuristic city is planned to stretch approximately 170 kilometers through the Saudi desert. Unlike traditional cities, the Line is designed without roads, cars, or conventional urban sprawl. Instead, residents would live within a narrow linear city powered by renewable energy and connected by high-speed transit. Supporters describe it as a revolutionary vision for sustainable urban living. Critics question its practicality, cost, and long-term viability. Yet regardless of the outcome, the Line has already succeeded in one area. It has captured the world's attention and sparked a global conversation about the future of cities. From floating cities and offshore wind farms to record-breaking bridges and futuristic megacities, these are the projects reshaping our world in 2026. Which of these megaprojects do you think will have the greatest impact on the future? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's most ambitious engineering projects, subscribe to EpicBuilds Uncovered for more stories behind the structures changing our planet. EpicBuilds Uncovered, Mega Engineering Revealed.